Now we're going to be looking at part 5, which would be the HTTP authenticate. Well, this is it, boys. This is the end of the road. And so for here, what we do is we copy the URL. Oh, no trouble. We copied it. Okay. Now, in this packet, we gotta create this one is restricted, so this like password protected. So we need to, it's offer like the username and the password. So then we go on to work there. Alright. Let's do the following. Continue as save it. And then we put in here. Which is Wireshark students and network. For the password we put OK. And this says this password is this page is password. If you're seeing that you downloaded the page correctly, congratulations. And so, however, it says, let me start the packet. Text says, OK, Famicom not found. Wireshark is unauthorized. Okay. Alright, and for the questions, it's saying, what is the service response time constraint response to initial HTTP get message from your own browser? Well, let's see. Hold on. Well, from what I can say is, from Wireshark, this is protected, so that means it is secure. So that would be the response from the server. And then for number 19, now usually for 18 will be unauthorized, but however in my case it's authorized, so that means it's secure. So on 19, when your browser sends the ATP get message for the second time, what new fields including the ATP get message? So we shall see. Also, what I forgot to say is that since we couldn't find the status code, it would be like based on the common query that we did. Like the past one will be like 200, okay. And for the new field, we'll be looking at right now. And for you to find out for the voice, the status code is right here, 200, and the response rate is okay, which means it's alright. And then for the new field that's including the ATP message, let's see, for the second one, not going to show us anything. Well, suppose like in every code, there's supposed to be the authorization. And since this one is not found, this is 404 with the status code. Hold on, let me show it. 404 not found. Let me show you the slide and then we're done. And so basically, if we could not find the authorization being the second file, it's supposed to be there. So because this is included in the second HTTP get message. Because look, from what we have here, the 404, that's the status, and the phrase, the response phrase is not found. Supposedly, you need to look over, even though we cannot see it here in the second HTTP. It's supposed to be there. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and that concludes our Wireshark laboratory.